Good morning, class. I want to welcome our newest students. They work at an eye clinic in Hanoi, Vietnam. I want to welcome the doctors, the nurses, and the administrative staff to our class. We have special vocabulary words just for them, but all of us can benefit from these vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word is appointment. A-P-P-O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T. We made an appointment to see the doctor because we were sick. Appointment. The doctor gave us a diagnosis. D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. Diagnosis. That is our second vocabulary word. The doctor will use his ability to tell us the diagnosis of what is wrong with us. Prescription. P-R-E-S-C-R-I-P-T-I-O-N. Prescription. The doctor gave me a prescription because I was sick. And the next vocabulary word, medication. Medication. M-E-D-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Medication. Those are tablets of medicine the doctor gives me to help me get better. Because I had the next vocabulary word, symptoms. S-Y-M-P-T-O-M-S. Symptoms. I had symptoms that caused the doctor to make a diagnosis and give me a prescription, which was medication. The doctor gave me an examination. E-X-A-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Examination. The doctor will give you an examination to make a diagnosis during your appointment before he writes a prescription to give you medication based on your symptoms. Treatment. Sometimes we have to have treatment. If you injured your leg, the treatment may include physical therapy. Treatment. T-R-E-A-T-M-E-N-T. Hopefully you won't have to have this next vocabulary word. Surgery. S-U-R-G-E-R-Y. Surgery. When the patient is really sick, the doctor will make a diagnosis based on the symptoms, and after giving the patient an examination, realizes that a prescription won't be enough to take care of the patient. We have to give them, they have to have surgery, which we can also call an operation. Hopefully you won't have to have surgery. But after your surgery, you have our next vocabulary word, recovery. Recovery. R-E-C-O-V-E-R-Y. Recovery. You hope that everything goes well during your recovery after your surgery. So let's go back through our vocabulary words one more time. We will go through them slowly and individually so that everyone can get the value. Did everyone hear a sentence with each vocabulary word? If you can't remember teacher using a sentence with a word, please put it in comments. Teacher needs to know. Our first word is appointment. A-P-P-O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T. Appointment. 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 The next word, diagnosis. D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. Diagnosis. My diagnosis is it's very noisy here today because we're having class outside. The doctor will give you a diagnosis if he thinks you have an illness or a disease that requires a diagnosis. D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. Diagnosis. The doctor may give you a prescription, prescription, prescription to take to the pharmacy. Medication, medication, medication. The doctor can give you medication because you went to the pharmacy with a prescription to get the medication. Symptoms, symptoms. We have symptoms right now that is very noisy. Symptoms are what happens when you tell the doctor what's wrong with you. They will try to figure out your symptoms. Symptoms, symptoms, symptoms. The doctor will also give you an examination. Our next vocabulary word, examination, examination. Treatment, 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 2 syllables. So treatment is the actual work. A good example of this in physical therapy, they'll give you treatment to do exercises to help your leg heal after you have fallen. But if things are really bad, our next vocabulary word, surgery, surgery, surgery. That's when you have an operation to get your appendix taken out. That is an operation. It is called surgery. Surgery, surgery, surgery. Following surgery, they take you to recovery. recovery. It also has another meaning. You want to have a recovery from your illness. Students, that is enough for today. I am looking forward to meeting our new students when I'll be teaching them face-to-face in Hanoi, Vietnam at the eye clinic. It is time to say, class dismissed.